This is just a little watercolour sketch. I will often work these up into a larger painting at some other point. But it's just representative of my style, and I like to work in watercolours, but also in acrylics and oils, and even a few pastels. There's a nice pastel over there. So this exhibition is based, can I look at this exhibition is represents a few years of my work. Painting outdoors, which is a favourite pastime, is not one of the easiest ways of painting, because you have to worry about what the weather's doing. And many of the time I've been rained upon, or even stormed upon. But this little sketch here is a beautiful place on the North Norfolk coast called Burnham Overy Staithe, and it's a wonderful little spot. Watercolours are very unforgiving. You have to really get it right the first time, otherwise there's no going back. With acrylics and oils, you can often go back into them, but watercolours are very unforgiving. So the idea is to get it right the first time. I'm just going to bring my easel up a little bit. That's a bit better. You get these wonderful skies in Norfolk, tremendous skies. I just love skies and clouds.